Okay, now a little bigger unboxing. Very expensive parcel. My wins from bits on eBay from last 3 weeks. Everything came together. Sadly, parcel is broken. I hope the laptops inside is okay. As you can see, somebody threw them out. I found them in my garden. So we see. I already reported to sellers, so this also will be good evidence for any problem with insurance or something. Okay, we try to open. I think it's yeah, video maybe is not perfect, but I can't do anything better now. Okay, I need the green screen in Real Studio, but at this moment only this. Maybe in future. Of course, I'm doing this like casual, so I do not expect it too much, just for fun. I just like opening boxes for you. A lot foil, sadly no bubble. Okay, maybe I remove them one after another. Oh, it's a lot. That's why parcel was so heavy. They shouldn't send them together, but it's okay. Too late now. I don't see any broken plastic inside. So we see, maybe I change the size. Oh, now maybe will be better. Okay, we start from the biggest one. Yeah, a little bit of tape, and we see what is that. Okay. I have no any official experience with doing movies like that, but I hope you like it. With something, yeah, big Acer, really big, 17 inches screen for sure. Oh yeah, it's so big. A real keyboard, even with numeric pads, really good, really nice. Oh, and it's still i7, Windows 7 also, Radeon. It's model 6650, a mobile 2 gigabytes, and it's have double graphics. Well, battery is still working, very nice. We see, yeah, looks okay. Oh, very good, very nice. Maybe no need any cleaning. Yeah, good, nice old model, and in one piece, nothing broken. Looks okay. If I could remember, I pay for it. Oh, here is broken. Sadly, I don't remember pictures. Maybe this was like that from beginning. I need to check later when I finish making movies. Some white hair. Yeah. The other corners looks okay. We have even CD-ROM. Little broken, but nothing special. Oh, actually it's okay. No, it's okay. It's okay. For that price, if I could remember, I pay around 60 pounds. It's around $70-80. Of course, it's old model. It's around 10 years old, maybe 11, but still big screen, battery still working. It's okay. Maybe just need only a little bit of cleaning and that's it. Very nice. Yeah. What we have here is actually Windows 10. So yeah, everything looks nice. Oh, I like this one. And sadly Microsoft sad icons here. I don't understand why, but okay. Okay, actually I need all of them for later. Oh, now much better. Battery showing still 49 minutes and it's 84% of charge. So yeah, around 1 hour on this model. It's okay. I'm a little bit old man, so I like this style, like in every Windows from 95 or 98. So yeah, documents here, bin here, and computer here. For me, it's typical. I always change that everywhere when I see. Yeah, it's i7 2670QM, 2 gigahertz, 200. No touch screen, it's okay. Device manager, everything perfectly fit. A really good price, yeah. 2 graphics card, one Intel 3000 and the Radeon. One is not installed, probably not drivers for Windows 10. And should be 8 processors. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, it's 8 processors. Maybe I make a little bit closer. Oh, sorry. Yeah, if you see. Still nice. Yeah, very nice model. Everything working fine. 8 gigabytes of RAM. It's maximum for that model, if I could remember. DDR3 for sure. DDR3 on that model. For old games like Lost Planet 2 or something like Hunters, the Demon's Forge, perfect. Even if Steam not working, still is possible to play on LAN offline mode. A lot of games accept this. Great, great. Actually, of course, Steam not working on Windows 7. On that model, on Windows 10, everything will be working fine, so you can still play as you like. Of course, if you put some mods for old games, not everything working on Windows 10, but really good. This one is okay. It's okay. Just need little bit on that corner, but everything fine. Perfect. Okay, that's it. Battery still have oh, it's 1 hour 40 minutes. Oh, 2 hours on fully charged. If on normal drainage, probably around 1 hour 70 minutes 80 minutes in total, in my opinion, with Wi-Fi. But still good. 11 years old laptop, maybe even 12. This model is from 2011, but can be made of course later. 2012, 12 years old, and very strong, very good machine. Big screen, Netflix, anything you like, perfect. Shutdown. Okay, we go to another one. This is really good. I'm happy. It's a very nice model. Perfect for Terraria, Minecraft, everything you like. Of course, every Fortnite, I don't know, CS or any other game. Okay, we're going further. What will be next? Actually, I don't have a little bit time, too much time today. Oh, already 9 minutes. Okay, we opening more. My English is not perfect, it's not my native language, but I can speak a lot. I hope you understand. Okay, another model, this time in different box. Oh, even with keyboard. Oh, surface. Working? Working. Perfect. Unlock. It's logging. Oh. Perfecto. Still everything working fine. Mini HDMI, USB charger. And here is only earphones. Plus minus volume and turn screen. Very nice. Oh, everything perfect. Look, very nice model. It's mostly around 70, 80 pounds. It's Surface 3 Pro, if I could remember, but maybe it's not showing, but here is crack in the corner. No, anyway, it's crack. I don't see it now, but it's here. So yeah, touch not working. Oh, actually working, maybe not fully, but yeah, working. Crack, but working. Yeah, so we can check what is here. Display settings, personalize, maybe like that. And again, same, need to put normal icons on the screen. Oh, thank you Microsoft for making mess in options. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, okay, now no time to move that. But yeah, screen working and should be even no. Ah, yeah. Yeah, it's light up. Maybe not showing now because it's too bright in my kitchen, but actually it's living room. Okay, maybe later. Yeah, 8 gigabytes, i5 7300. Good, everything nice. Even keyboard together. Keyboard cost around 30 pounds. It's very expensive. Yeah, graphics, everything fine. It should be four cores on that. Yeah, it's 4 cores. Maybe because Windows is not showing everything, but yeah, you can trust me. It's 4 cores. Yeah, it's everything okay. I should put better sun blocking, but okay, too late. Yeah, we go to another one. This one working, screen working, touch working. That's okay. I'm happy. Maybe even I remove the touch for later. Yes, so we can disable it. I forget to check battery, but in that model should be around 2 hours, maybe a little less, depending. It's around 10 years old model at this moment, if I could remember. But yeah, still nice and done. Okay, of course keyboard we can unplug. It's fully unplugged. This will be rusty here, but yeah, for that price, I got remember 60 pounds. Yeah, still great gift for family or something. You can read on toilet or anything you like. Keyboard I left for later. Yeah, nice gift, nice try. Okay, we're going further. What do we have here? A lot of bubble foil in my in my place. Okay. Yes, everything here. Hop, hop. For people who like watching these openings, should be fun. Mess, but good packing at least. Oh yeah, Acer. This looks very nice also. Good, remember this was for one of my clients. Oops, something broken. Oh. Not good to hear that. They don't tell me it's broken. Yeah, but it's broken. Not good. Maybe need little bit tape or glue or something, but yeah, now it's okay. Should be fine. Yeah, probably was in transport. HDMI, mini display port, USB 3, LAN port, charging port, another USB, and jack port. Yeah, 50 pounds, 45 pounds. Okay, we try to turn it on. No, battery is die. So yeah, I need to find a universal charger. So one of this beast. It's also very nice idea, but maybe I leave this opening for shorts, because I need few shorts to open, to have option on YouTube to upload lives. We'll be putting some lives from live opening. It's Acer V5573 if somebody needed. From 4 May 2014, so it's around 10 years old now, and 30, 29 days, 28 days, something like that. So happy birthday. Okay, we go further. Okay, 4 more, 5 more, and I need to go because people waiting for me. So this will be today only this unboxing, maybe more in future. Yep, another Surface. This one was cheaper if I could remember, because it was, yeah, it's fully cracked sadly. Here, screen for sure not working, maybe LCD working but not touch. So yeah, then we see maybe I put some tape on it. Oh, it's upside down. Oh, that's okay. But yeah, still working. Surprise for me. I was pretty sure will be broken, but yeah, nice. Okay, I see Windows 11. What we have here? More options. Working or not? Oh, now working. I hate Windows 11. i5, same like the last one. 7300, 8 gigabytes, and of course Microsoft Hi everything. So we go to device manager and we are here. Display adapters, probably that Intel would be 4. Yeah, HD graphics 620, and yeah, 4 processors. Corner working corner, very nice. Battery, Microsoft stopped showing information, of course. Detail info. Okay, maybe later it's showing. Okay, but anyway, it's nice tablet, still possible to use with keyboard, but actually I have no time to show this. But I need it because I don't know how to disable computer in Windows 11. So, old guy using Alt F4. No, maybe like that, no? Ah, shut down. Because I don't know how to close that Windows. Its menu start gone. I hate you, Microsoft. Yeah. Shut down, and we are here. Pressing button on Surface is not always working. Sometimes it's just hibernate, but I want to show him down. Yeah, can be. It will be chocolate, some chocolate or grass, or I don't know what is that in the speaker. But yeah, little bit cleaning and should be fine. This magnet keyboard is actually good. Little bit glass inside, but funny. Okay. Wow, I can't believe I recording 20 minutes already. Okay, maybe I make stop for now.